Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss part 1 of pair of words from CSS English paper of the year 1979. So let's start. Cession and cession. Cession refers to the act of formally giving up or surrendering rights, territory or authority to another entity, often through a treaty or agreement. यानी सेशन का मतलब है बाज़ाब्ता तौर पर किसी मुआहदे के ज़रिए हुकूक, अलाक़ा या इख्तियार किसी दूसरे के सुपर्द करने का अमल. Its synonyms are surrender, relinquishment, concession and transfer. Example sentences. After a prolonged negotiation, the two countries reached an agreement on the cession of certain border territories. Cession. It means a period of time during which a particular activity or event takes place, such as a meeting, class or legislative assembly. यानी सेशन का मतलब है एक मुद्दत जिसके दौरान कोई ख़ास सरगर्मी या वाक़या होता है, जैसे मीटिंग, क्लास या कानूनसाज असम्बली का सेशन. Its synonyms are meeting, gathering, assembly and conference. Example sentences. The academic session began with an orientation for new students, introducing them to campus facilities and academic expectations. Canon and canon. Canon denotes a general rule, principle or standard accepted as authentic or valid. यानी कैनान का मतलब है एक आम उसूल या मेयार जिसे मुस्तनद या दुरुस्त तस्लीम किया जाता है. Its synonyms are principle, rule, law, tenet, precept, formula, standard. Example sentences. The appointment violated the canons of fair play and equal opportunity. Cannon. It is a large caliber gun typically mounted on wheels used for warfare or ceremonial purposes. यानी इससे मुराद एक बड़ी कैलिबर की बंदूक है जो आम तौर पर पहियों पे नस्ब होती है, जंग या रस्मी मकासद के लिए इस्तेमाल होती है. Its synonyms are artillery, gun, howitzer and mortar. Example sentences. The historic fortress displayed several antique cannons showcasing the military history of the region. Barbarism and barbarity. Barbarism refers to a state or condition of being uncivilized or lacking cultural and social refinement. यानी बारबेरिज्म से मुराद गैर मुहज़्ज़ब होना या सकाफ़ती और समाजी तत्हीर की कमी है. Its synonyms are primitiveness, savagery, crudeness, brutality, uncivilized यानी and uncivilized behavior. Example sentences. The invasion resulted in a wave of barbarism with historical sites destroyed and innocent civilians subjected to unspeakable acts of violence. Barbarity. It refers to the quality or condition of being brutal, cruel or inhumane. यानी इसका मतलब है सफाकाना, जालिमाना या गैर इंसानी होने का मेयार या हालत. Its synonyms are atrocity, brutality, inhumanity, cruelty and savagery. Example sentences. The war crimes committed by the regime were characterized by a level of barbarity that shocked the international community. Artist and artisan. Artist is someone who creates art, often for aesthetic or expressive purposes. यानी आर्टिस्ट या फ़नकार वो होता है जो फ़न तख्लीक करता है और फ़न का मकसद जमालियाती या इजहार ख्याल होता है. Its synonyms are creator, painter, sculptor, musician, writer and performer. Example sentences. The artist painted a vibrant mural on the city wall showcasing a blend of colors and emotions. Artisan. It means a skilled craftsperson or worker who produces items by hand, often using traditional methods. यानी आर्टिसन का मतलब है एक हुनरमंद कारीगर या कारकुन जो हाथ से अशिया तैयार करता है, जो कि अक्सर रिवायती तरीक़ों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Its synonyms are craftsman, skilled worker and tradesperson. Example sentences. The artisan crafted a beautiful wooden table with intricate carvings, showcasing both skill and artistry in woodworking. Antic and antique. Antic refers to a playful or funny act, gesture, or moment often intended to be amusing or entertaining. यानी एंटिक से मुराद एक चंचल या मज़ाक़खेज़ फ़ेल, इशारा या हरकत है जिसका मकसद अक्सर तफरीही होना होता है. इट्स सिनोनिम्स आर प्रैंक, कैपर, escapade, jest and frolic. Example sentences. The clown delighted the audience with his hilarious antics and exaggerated expressions. Antique. It refers to an object, usually a piece of furniture, a work of art, or collectible item that is of considerable age and value due to its historical or artistic significance. यानी इससे मुराद ऐसी चीज़ है, आमतौर पर फर्नीचर का एक टुकड़ा या आर्ट का काम जिसकी तारीख़ी या फ़नकाराना अहमियत होती है. इट्स सिनोनिम्स आर विंटेज, एंशियंट, ओल्ड फैशन, हिस्टोरिक एंड क्लासिकल. Example sentences. The shop specialized in selling antique furniture, each piece carrying a unique charm and a piece of history. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.